How are you guys? So, as you know, I am still in Kiserian and I'm about to go into Kiserian market. By the way, guys, this market is one of the most organized markets in Kenya. As you're gonna see when I go inside Kiserian market, which is in Kiserian town, a town about 26 kilometers from Nairobi city center. And of course, this market was built by the county government of Kajiado. I'm gonna go in for you to see how it is organized, how different traders out there, how business people are going about their business, selling different kind of products. And by the way, in the country, I've seen very few markets which are organized like this one, and we're talking about it being organized in different layers. You know, it has actually story levels, you know, whereby we're talking about the ground level is selling different groceries, vegetables, you name it. First level, it's selling clothes, you name it, and then the third level is still under construction. Let's go right in it for you to be able to see what is happening in Kiserian market. So, as I've already talking to you about, this market actually has different inlets and outlets. Like for example, that particular end also, it is actually an inlet too and an outlet. And I'm going through the other side, midpoint, where also we have an inlet and outlet, and then the other side also, we also have entries into this particular market. Let's go through the midpoint so that you can be able to see the wider view as I'm entering the market, right? So guys, I'm walking heading towards the market, and of course it's very, very exciting. Also, like any other market out there, also outside the main market, we have people doing business in kind of like wholesale. As you can see around here, we have people, for example, selling clothes, selling different wares and so forth on even other sides of the market too. But our main target for the day is entering the market so that you can be able to see what is happening in this particular market, see the traders selling different things, and also just see how organized this particular market is, because as I've said, it is one of the most organized markets in this country. Okay? Let's go. So guys, this side we have different traders selling their different items. Talk about selling clothing items, you know, talk about selling small appliances, and even so there's construction going on, right? Okay, so guys, we have traders here selling different items. Look, selling clothes, selling different wares here. You know, if you want, for example, speakers, you want, for example, torches, you name it, you can get them in this particular market. As you can see, traders are selling different things all over, okay? This is a one-stop market. You can get even different kinds of clothes, whereas you can talk about groceries, vegetables, you name it, all these are available in this market. Bro, vipi? Naje? Busy kaje? Biashara ikaje bana? Mimi niko na cover market, nikiambia kuna biashara inaendelea kila mahali hapa, wakitaka bidhaa akuje, electronics, manguo, talking about groceries, they can come here to do shopping, eh? So hii bidhaa yako nakupata wapi kwa market? Biashara yako specifically. Mtu akuja kwa mfano Kiserian market anataka kuja kununua vitu unauza, anakupata wapi, which stall, anaingiaje kwa market? Anaingia entrance hapo, right? Stall number yako ni ngapi? Hakuna stall number. Oh, this other side. Yeah, so guys, as you can see, there are different wares. You see, like for example, electronics hapa, different things. So kuja kwa market and be sure utapata tunatafuta. Whether it's electronics, whether it's clothes, groceries, you name it. So as you can see, I was just talking to a trader there who sells electronics, and of course he was saying the cost of living has quite increased, making it difficult for them to be able to earn a living in a great way. So as you can tell, bei imeongezeka sana na mambo yamekuwa ngumu, but as I've told you guys, it's an open market. Kuja hapa, buy anything you want, whether it's clothes, whether it's vegetables, groceries. It's a very massive open market, as you can see. It's quite huge, right? Let's go to the vegetable section. Also, the market has wings, even extend the other side, also the other side. So we head in this particular arm whereby you're going to buy some vegetables and grocery items, okay? So, thank you. So guys, as you can see, we have different kind of wares, different groceries being sold different points in the market, and you can get them at very very affordable prices. Yeah. Amia habari yako? Biashara iko aje? Iko poa? Unauza nini? Viazi unafanyaje? Viazi ni 100. Yeah, guys, I want to buy some potatoes and see also what else I can buy in the market. Yeah, so niweke 100 tafadhali. And kwa paper bag. So I'm getting this buying viazi and also see what else I can buy in the market. Yeah, so nimetoka kununua some viazis. I'm going forth here to check what else I can cop. But as you can see, the market is very organized, selling very many different kind of products, right? Mimi naje? Ufaje nyanya? Imeandikwa hivyo. Fungeza. Give me the 60. Yeah, so also guys, I'm buying some tomatoes here, and as you can see, they are also good and the price is very affordable, right? When you enter the market, I don't know mbona madam anacheka hapa, bali anasema biashara yake iko wapi? Anakupata wapi kwa soko mami? Kiserian. Kuna namba ama ina namba? Namba? Namba ya store ama ya store hakuna. Just open, Yeah, so come through, you can see kuna groceries nyingi, mboga, waru, tomatoes, anything you require in your house that in this particular market, yeah? Come through. So you can just put for me inside here. Yeah, asante. And so let's also walk the other side, whereby also we have some people selling cabbages in bulk at the very entrance there. Yeah, so guys, I've already bought some other things in the market. I want lastly to buy minji before I exit the market. So you can see I'm here at Traders Point. They are selling some products here, minjis. So bro, kindly nipatie minji. Unauza how much?
100, 150.
No, I just want the smallest one.
The smallest one is 100.
Bro, unanipima nini bana? So I'm buying here some minjis with this good business person. So nifunge msema ni how much? Say the prices.
This is
50, 100. Sawa, nipatie 100. Yeah, sawa, asante. So guys, I've closed the shopping for the day.
The music.
I've already closed the shopping for the day, so let me get some minjis and then meet you outside the market.
Okay.
See you guys.